Hello friends, we are back with the final account, another video of final account for marking and posting of final account. As we know that the final account question is of trial balance, and in trial balance there are many items. Till last year there will be approximately 36 items, 32 or 36 items. In this year we will get 24 to 28 items. So how should we mark them, that is how should we post all of the items? We are making the video on that. Posting of trial balance, that is the finding items for final account. As you know, the trial balance has two sides. First is debit balance, second is credit balance. As on debit balance we will find many items, as there are more expenses and losses. So as on a debit side we will find all expenses and losses. Expenses and losses means that is of trading account debit side, profit and loss account debit side. As we know in early standard, that is 11th, as trading account is a nominal account, as even the profit and loss account is a nominal account. As the nominal account said, debit all expenses and losses. Is with the same rule they are following. As on the credit balance, all incomes and gains, that is the trading account credit side, profit and loss account credit side. As the same nominal account rule follows, credit all income and gain. Further we find in a debit side, that is all assets. Assets means the balance sheet asset side, that is the fixed assets such as furniture, land and building, machinery. And we will find some liquid assets also, such like debtors, cash in hand, cash at banks. At the same the credit balance we will find all liabilities. Liabilities means the balance sheet liability sides, that is the fixed liabilities such as capital and many other liabilities, and liquid liabilities such as creditors, loans, bank overdraft. There are many other examples. You will find it and you will see it further. The as on the debit side we will find the partners expenses and losses. On this year we are going to solve the partners capital account, means all the account we are making is on the partnership business. That's why we will added some items of the partners expenses and losses, means that is the partners capital slash current account. Slash means we are making either capital or either current account, that is we will find the debit side of one of these accounts. Example I have given, that is net loss and drawings. In credit balance we will find the partners income and gain, that is the partners capital slash current account, that is the credit side. Example, that is the net profit. Capital balances, salaries to partner. There are many more other incomes for their partners, that is commission and other rest. Still you will find them in a actual sums. There are some exceptional items who break these original rules, and which are as follows. Item who breaks the original posting rules. This is the original posting rule we have supposed to follow at every item, but there are some exceptional items. That items are, I have written debit and credit balance over here. That is the sales return. Sales return comes at debit side. As the original rule reflect, it should be at debits, trading debit or profit and loss debit. But as by original rule it breaks the rule and it goes to trading account credit side, minus from, that is less or deducted from sales. Purchase return on credit side, it also breaks the rule and it comes on the trading account debit side, and it lesses from the purchases, less deducted, reduces return of, you can say many words, there are many words on the book. There are second item in credit side, that is the old RDD. Many of them is known as RBDD or is written as RDD only. That means reserve for bad and doubtful debt or reserve for doubtful debt. It comes on credit side, that we are supposed to going to write it on a debit side of the profit and loss account, the formula of bad debts. Now we are going to learn the marking for final accounts. Basically marking is not needed, but still there are many things you can go for it or you can learn it. There are many items in your book, as you every time you will won't learn it. So if you mark like this way, you will learn it. And how we are going to mark? As I written account name and symbolically marking in a short term, we are going to write it on the front of the item. As I written trading account, this is debit side of trial balance, this is credit side of trial balance. As on the trading account, I will mark on the front of the item. If there is an item of trading account, I will write it on the debit side, that is TD. If it is on the credit side, I will write the TC. I am going to make the another video for it, but now you are just listen it and uh, find it. Profit and loss account, the profit and loss account D reflects the debit side always. Profit and loss P and L, C reflects the credit side. On partners capital slash current account, PCD partners current or partners capital debit, PCC partners capital credit. As the balance sheet is not account, it is a statement. It has different sides such as assets and liabilities. So as on the debit side of the trial balance, we will find assets as written symbolically representation A, and on the credit side we will find the liabilities, the symbolically represents L. For the adjustment, we are that is and the adjustment we are going to put, for adjustments the marking is given below, that is A, which has a round. Round means that item has an adjustment.